2020 is an awful year. On top of COVID, during the lockdown, my wife Chiara was diagnosed with cancer. It started as skin cancer and then it spread. Chiara has undergone already 3 surgeries and now we're starting the therapy phase. A couple of days ago we shared a post on our social channels and we received tons of messages, support messages for Chiara, and I want to thank you all. Every single message helps a lot. We don't have enough subscribers yet on this channel to use the community tab, so this is the first update for those of you who follow our creative projects on this channel. Now you understand also why things have been a little bit quiet lately. I didn't have the energy to work on new videos and edit new videos. Now I spend most of my time supporting Chiara with this fight against cancer. I keep working on music and that helps me a lot. It's like therapy to me, but I haven't found yet a way to share it with you on this channel as I don't have a lot of time. So I guess for now I will stick to a very simple, slim and straight to the point format. Actually, let me know what you think about it. If you like the music and the creative projects we shared so far on this channel, stay tuned. I'll do my best to keep releasing new videos every week. Thank you again for your support, and if you have some friends that you think might enjoy this channel as much as you do, please invite them and invite them to subscribe, and maybe together we'll be able to unlock this community tab and all the other features that YouTube offers us to turn this channel into a more engaging place. Stay tuned.